All right, let's look at the homework 9, problem number 29. All right, so we have this differential equation, dq over dt is equal to negative 0.05 q, and a q of 0 is q0. Actually, q of 0 is given to be 13. All right, so q of t is initial amount, which is 13, then e to the, right? So this number here, so this is a k, so it's a negative 0.05. So negative 0.05 times, so let's see, variable is t. Right, so this is the function here. So let's check the answer. Right, we got that. Right, how many millimeters are in the body after 20 hours? So we have to compute that. So I'm going to bring up a calculator here. All right, so t is equal to 20, so we just have to plug in 20 for t. So it's a 13 times e to the, so this is going to be, let's see, e to the, all right, negative 0.05 times t is 20, right? And hit enter. All right, so we get, let's see, 4.78. What's the nearest hundredth? So it's going to be 4.78. All right, let's type it in, 4.78. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, part C, how many hours will it take for only 4 millimeters of the drug to be left in the body? All right, so this one, we're going to have to do a little bit of work. So I'm going to, all right, I open up the notes, and we have to set, let's see, Q of T came out to be, so Q of T was 13 e to the negative 0.05 t, and we set this guy equal to 4, right? So what you need to do is just to solve for t, right? So first thing is I'm going to divide through by 13. So you have a e to the negative 0.05 t is equal to 4 over 13, right? Then I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. I'm trying to isolate t here, right? So by inverse property, log and natural log and exponential function cancel out. So in order to isolate t, all you have to do is divide through by negative 0.05. So t is equal to natural log of 4 over 13 over negative 0.05, right? So let's try to find the value here. So I'll open up a calculator. All right, so it's going to be natural log of 4 over 13, then divided by negative 0.05, right? Hit enter. All right, it came out to be about 23.57, 23.57 hours. All right, so let's type it in. All right, 23.57. All right, let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, so we want to look for the graph. All right, so this is an exponential function with the negative here. We have a negative power here, so it's going to be a decreasing one. So A looks okay, B is definitely not, and C is not the correct one, so it's a D, right? Then you look at the initial value. Initial value is 13. This one, initial value is 13. D has an initial value at maybe around 8, right? So A should be the correct picture. Let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.